Hey guys, what's up? I'm Andre, and today I want to show you how to improve the 404 default page in Gridsome. The reason for that is that when a page does not exist, Gridsome's 404 or the default 404 is really simple. Let's take a look. If we go to the main site and do something that doesn't exist, we only get 404 not found. And if you've seen my previous video about paths and URL building in case you're using templates in Gridsome, you know that it can be very beneficial to have a list of generated pages here on 404 page, just like Gatsby does. So how can we do it in Gridsome? First of all, when you want to create a custom 404 page, you need to create a new file under pages that is called 404.view. And remember that whenever you create a file like this, you have to rebuild the site in order to see it. And here we will have two components, template and query. Now, in case of 404, the page query, just like we know it from other pages like index, we use page query. On 404, this doesn't work. So you're not gonna get any data and the page query will render null. So you have to use static query. And in the template, we're just gonna say that this page does not exist, and list all the pages that were generated. These pages were generated. For that, we will definitely need a static query. Let me just put this into a div so that Gridsome doesn't complain. And how could the query look like? Let's open the playground, and the query is getting all the pages from the Gridsome local node storage. So you see it's getting all pages and their path. So this is the query that I'm gonna be using. And when you have the query in place, you can actually use the all page, or you can name the nodes that are coming from the GraphQL response. You can name it to pages. And then it's just a matter of doing or creating the right markup here. And we should be good to go. I'm gonna rebuild the site, and in the meantime, take a look here at the Gridsome config. I do generate templates based on a blog post, and the blog post URL is /blog/codename. On the index page, I render all the blog posts in a list and also render their URL based on /blog/the codename. Now you will see that this does not work. That's the path issue I was talking about. Let's take a look. When we go to localhost 8080, these are the blog posts. If I click on one, it's gonna take me to this page does not exist. And these pages were generated. So my blog post page, how to power up your website with Vue.js, does have a different URL. You see, it does not have any underscores. It does have a few dashes instead. So based on this information, I can go ahead and change the URLs. So you see, this custom 404 helps a lot, and hopefully it will save you also some time, just like it did for me. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, follow me here on YouTube or on Twitter at twitter.com/Ondrebas, and I'll see you next time.